Hi, I'm Brent with Scottsdale Wealth Advisory. If you've heard the word annuity and thought, what exactly is an annuity? You're not alone. Oftentimes, annuity research can be daunting because when you Google the word annuity, you are bombarded with ads soliciting one type of annuity over another. You can't decipher what is fact from fiction. It is hard to know who or what information to trust. An annuity is a contract between you and the insurance company. You invest a lump sum up front or make scheduled deposits over time, and in return, the issuing insurance company will provide regular, guaranteed monthly or annual income payments, either immediately or at some point in the future. The choice of when is for you to decide. There are three main types of annuities. Fixed annuities, also sometimes referred to as a MIGA, that is an acronym for multi-year guarantee annuity. This type offers guaranteed interest for a scheduled maturity similar to that of a bank CD. You can choose to either let that money grow tax deferred, or you can take the interest as it's earned as a form of guaranteed monthly or annual income. Variable annuities are the only type of annuity that are considered an investment and directly tied to stock market performance. These types of annuities put your principal at risk. Indexed annuities provide protection of principal while still providing your money the opportunity to earn stock market-like gains. This annuity is designed for three types of investors. The first is for those who want safe accumulation as a stock market alternative. The second is for those who want a guaranteed lifetime income without giving up ownership of their principal, and what I refer to as a privatized personal pension plan. The third is for those who just simply desire to leave a legacy. Annuities can help protect principal, create reliable retirement income, or leave a lasting legacy. But not every annuity is the same. It's important to know which one fits your financial goals. If you're exploring annuities or want to review one you already own, I'd be happy to help you better understand what they are and how they work. Visit scottsdalewealthadvisory.com or just click the link in my bio below to set up a free annuity coaching session. Thank you.